Brendan here with Byggmeister. We're here in Lexington, Mass, where we've just started the AeroBarrier application process. This is a partial renovation project that we're doing for some folks who are both looking to renovate their house and improve their home's home performance. They had an oil boiler. We're switching the home over to all electric, high performance, high efficiency equipment. So one of the things we want to make sure we do ahead of that is make the home as airtight as possible and as well insulated as possible. In this case, we also had the unique situation where the clients were moving out of the house for the duration of the project, and they were willing to move most of their things out of the house, which is crucial in the application of AeroBarrier because it is a product that once it gets on stuff, it's hard to get off. So the safest thing to do is to get everything vulnerable out of the house and protect everything that needs to stay in the house. Finished floors, finished cabinetry, things like that. We are looking at the opportunities of all of our projects at Byggmeister to take a renovation project and improve the building's home performance. So what this AeroBarrier system is leveraging is the opportunity of our clients moving out of their house and moving all of their material out of the house to really crank down the air tightness level. We started out at an air leakage rate of about 10 air changes per hour at 50 pascals. It's a fairly common result for an existing mid-1900s home. We did some work to improve the home's air tightness level with insulation and blower door guided air sealing. As a result, we got it to about 5 ACH 50. At the end of this process, we expect to be below 2 and ideally around 1 ACH 50, which is a level of air tightness that we wouldn't have been able to get any other way other than a much more comprehensive system. The AeroBarrier system aerosolizes a sealant and pressurizes the house to drive that into all the small nooks and crannies to try to really make the home as airtight as possible. With it being so much more airtight, we expect to hear things like it's much quieter and less drafty and things like that. The AeroBarrier system can be difficult to apply to any renovation project, but when you do have a good renovation project, in particular when the clients are moving out and they can move their materials out of the house, it's a perfect opportunity to see if you can really crank down the air tightness of these homes. This air sealing will give us the best chance of having the optimum performance of this high performance all electric house and prepare them for a high efficiency future.